The Jonard Tools WSA 1024 and WSA 1430 wire strippers and cutters are the latest innovation in wire stripping. Each tool will cut and strip wire to a predetermined length with an ergonomic design to reduce repetitive stress injuries. Both tools can be used to strip one or several wires at the same time, making the WSA 1024 and WSA 1430 perfect tools for high-volume repetitive work. The WSA 1024 will strip wire from 10 to 24 AWG, and the WSA 1430 will strip wire from 14 to 30 AWG. Both are designed with an adjustable strip length stop for stripping wire up to 15 mm. To strip wire using the Jonard Tools WSA 1024 or WSA 1430 to a specific length, first adjust the wire stop by pressing the sides together and move to required strip length. Next, insert the wire into the stripping jaws up to the wire stop. Squeeze handles together and the jaws will close and strip the wire. Release the handles and the jaws will open so you can remove the stripped wire. This works for one or multiple wires depending on wire size. For longer strips, remove the stripped stop. Both the WSA 1024 and WSA 1430 have a cutting feature on the top of the tool. To cut the wire, place it into the cutter and squeeze the handles. That's it. The WSA 1430 will cut wire up to 14 AWG, while the WSA 1024 will cut wire up to 10 AWG. Replacement blades for both tools are available. WSA 1024 RB for the WSA 1024 wire stripper, and WSA 1430 RB for the WSA 1430 wire stripper. Contact Jonard Tools for more information.